Congressman Abante, I'd like to read to you a quote from Senator Coco Pimentel. And this is his quote. Ano? Alam niyo ba na after the hearing, parang both sides ay lumulundag sa saya. Ellipsis. Ibig sabihin nun, nagampanan natin yung papel natin at naging fair na chairman. Comment po. What can you say about how the Senate committee how the Senate committee conducted that hearing?
Well, there was only one senator that actually asked the real questions, and that is Senator Rizon Tiveros. The others naman, hindi naman talaga nag-ask ng question. For example, like yung mga senator na nanggaling kay former president, hindi naman sila nag-ask ng question. In fact, the Senator Bato was quite defensive. He would answer the allegations of the witnesses at nagiging defensive siya. But he never asked a question to the former president. Talagang nagtanong lang sa former president, si Risa lang Wala namang iba. Oo, yung isang senator dyan, nagbiro pa sa dating Pangulo. Pero they were, sa akin the other senators were actually timid in asking questions.
Okay.
Congressman, ano po yung tingin nyo na si Senator Bato and Senator Bongo, who are being implicated in anomalies dun sa war on drugs, are asking questions doon sa appearance ni former President Duterte sa Senado?
Hindi ba sila naman Senator Bato, ina-explain lang nila yung ginawa when they were when example, like when Bato was the chief of police of Davao City, when he was the Director General of the Philippine National Police. Sinasabi lang niya yung mga ginawa niya noon, no? But actually, he did not even reveal anything. Wala naman siya reveal. Yung pa dating Pangulo nag-reveal sa kanila na sila ay miyembro. For example, like Bato was a member of the DDS.
Tingin mo, Kong Abante, bakit ganun yung kondukta ng mga senador? Sabi nyo nga, isa lang talaga yung nagbigay ng mga seryosong mga tanong. Yung si Bato, si Robin Hood Padilla, at saka si Bongo, medyo expected. Pero may 4 na senador doon na miyembro ng administration. Tapos, very deferential sila. At hindi lang deferential, sabi nyo nga, nagbibiro pa. Bakit kaya ganun ang kanilang kondukta? Mga miyembro sila ng administrasyon. Unlike Risa Ontiveros na oposisyon.
Out of deference to the former president, o kaya naman talagang hindi sila handa magtanong. Sa amin sa Quadcom, pag siya inibitan namin, handa kami magtanong. Marami kami ipapakitang video na mga salita niya. But very much prepared for that. Kaya gusto namin siya imbitahan kapag talagang tatanungin namin siya. He's not going to get the microphone and be the one to speak, no? No. He will be there to ask. He will be there to answer questions of the Quadcom.